Hello my dear kids, welcome back to our class. Today we are discussing rounding of a number to nearest 100. You already know rounding of nearest 10. Finding out the multiple of 100 which is nearest to the given number is called rounding of the given number to nearest 100. That is the meaning of rounding of nearest 100, which is the nearest hundreds multiple of that number, same as rounding of nearest 10. Then there are some steps to round off the number to nearest 100. Step 1. If the tens digit is less than 5, replace tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. That is the first step to round off the given number to nearest 100. If the tens digit is less than 5. For example, 1928. Here, which is the tens digit? Yes, here the tens digit number is 2. Here the tens digit number is 2, which is less than 5. So our rule is replace tens and ones digit. That means this 2 and 8. Replace these two digits as 0. The other digits as they are. No change in the other two digits. So rounding number or rounding of nearest 100 of this number is 1900. Another example, 47,213. Here our tens digit number is 1, which is also less than 5. So replace the tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. That means no change in these three digits, 4, 7, 2, no change. Here replace these two digits as 0. Okay, so our rounding number is 47200. That means 47,200. Okay, then step 2. If the tens digit is 5 or more, replace tens and ones digits by 0 and increase the hundreds digit by 1. This is the step 2. Step 1. What is step 1? If the tens digit is less than 5, very easy. That means only the replace tens and hundreds, tens and ones place as 0 and the remaining numbers no change. Then what is our step 2? If the tens digit is 5 or more, replace tens and ones digits by 0. That means tens and ones place by 0 and increase the hundreds digits by 1. That means here is another example, 2678. Here, which is our tens digit number? Our tens place number is 7. So that is a more than 5 number. So you replace that tens digit and ones digits by 0. And one more step is there, that is you add this hundreds digit by 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So our rounded number is equal to these two numbers become 0 and this 6 becomes, you write the after number of the hundreds digit, that is 6 plus 1 is 7, no change in the other digits. Okay, this is the second step. Then another example 35,265. Here also, which is our tens digit number? It is 6, which is more than 5. So which is our step? Yes, replace this tens and ones place as 0 and hundreds place. That digit increased by 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So which is our answer? This 6 and 5 becomes 0 and this 2 plus 1 is 3. No change in the remaining number. So our number is 35,300. Okay. Our next topic, rounding of a number to nearest 1000. Same as the above 10 and 100. Okay. Then what is rounding of nearest 1000? Finding out the multiple of 1000 which is nearest to the given number is called rounding of the given number to the nearest 1000. Which is the nearest multiple of 1000. That is rounding of nearest 1000. Here also some steps to round off the number to nearest 1000. Step 1. If the rounding hundreds digit is less than 5, replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Here you check which place? Hundreds digit. If your question is round off nearest 1000, in that case you check the hundreds digit. If which is less than 5, replace the hundreds, tens and ones digits by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Okay. Here you check the hundreds digits. If it is less than 5, in that case you put the hundreds, tens and ones digits as 0. Then remaining digits no change. For example, 7,328, round off nearest 1000. Here you check the hundreds digit number. This number is 3, which is less than 5. In that case, you see in hundreds, tens and ones place, replace these digits by 0 and the remaining numbers, the remaining digit as they are. That means no change in the remaining numbers. So our rounded number is equal to 7,000. That means this 3 is less than 5. So simply you put 3 zeros in hundreds, tens and ones place. Then remaining numbers no change. So rounded number is 7,000. Another example, 57,230. Here our hundreds digit number is 2, which is less than 5. Here also that same rule. That means replace this hundreds, tens and ones place as 0 and the remaining digits no change. The remaining digits as they are. That means our rounded number is 57,000. Okay. Then our next step, if the hundreds digit is 5 or more, replace hundreds, tens and ones digits by 0 and increase the thousands digits by 1. That is, if in hundreds digit number, that is 5 or more than 5, in that case First you replace hundreds, tens, ones digit by 0, and one more step is there, that is increase the thousands digits by 1. Then one example, 5612. Here hundreds digit number is 6, which is more than 5. So what is our first step? First you replace these 3 digits as 0, and the next step is write the after number of the thousands digit. Here what is the after number of 5? After number of 5 is 6. So our rounded number is equal to 6000. Okay. Then another example, 17,565. Here our hundreds place number is 5. If your hundreds place number is 5 or more, in that case, you replace hundreds, tens and ones digits by 0 and increase the thousands digit by 1. That means first you put these 3 digits as 0 and after number of 7 or one more 7 is equal to 8. So our answer is, so rounded number is 18,000. Okay. Then rounding of large numbers. Round off the following numbers to nearest 10,000. Here also we use the same rule as tens, hundreds and thousands. If your question is round off nearest 10,000. One example, 6,32,565. Here our question is round off nearest 10,000. In that case, you check the hundreds place number, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place number. Here the thousands place number is 2. Then what is our rule? Which is less than 5, in that case you simply put 4 zeros and replace these 4 digits and put 4 zeros. Okay, so our rounded number is equal to 6,30,000. Okay, round off nearest 10,000. Then another example, 13,65,249. In this question, here also our question is round off nearest 10,000. In that question you check the thousands place number, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Thousands place number is 5, which is 5 or more 5. What is our rule? First you replace these 4 digits as 0 and 10,000 place number after number of this 10,000 place digit. So which is our rounded number? 137,000. That means 13,70,000. The same way, round off the following numbers to nearest lakh. One example, 86,32,565. When we round off nearest lakh, in that case you check which place number is 10,000 place number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Here the 10,000 place number is 3, which is less than 5. So which is our round off nearest lakh? Simply you put 5 zeros here to replace 3, 2, 5, 6, 5. Here you put 5 zeros. Okay. So rounded number is 86 lakh. Another example, 14,72,125. Your question is round off nearest lakh. Here also you check which place number, 10,000 place number. Here the 10,000 place digit is 7, which is more than 5. In that case you put replace these digits 7, 2, 1, 2, 5 by 0 and Yes. After number of 4 is equal to, that means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Why? Here the 10,000th place digit is more than 5. So write the after number of 4. So our number is 4 plus 1 is 5. So rounded number is, yes, rounded number is 15 lakhs. So students, in this video we learn rounding of nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Same method we use. Okay, thank you.